Good morning, my friends. How are you feeling today? I'm feeling silly. Let's make our calendar. Yay! It's May 2020. Make a calendar. All right, friends. What month is it? Our month is May. What year is it? 2020. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. What day is today, guys? Today is Monday. Can you guys say Monday? Today is Monday, May 4th, 2020. It's May 4th. If you're a fan of Star Wars, people are like, May the 4th be with you. I've never actually seen Star Wars, so I don't know. But May 4th. All right, it's Monday, May 4th. And if we look at our calendar, we've got a holiday tomorrow. Last year we made quesadillas and salsa, and we did a piñata. We had a little party for Cinco de Mayo. Cinco de Mayo. Oh, Teacher's Day too. Good job, parents, for being great teachers. We'll talk about that more tomorrow. We have Cinco de Mayo tomorrow. Next Sunday, we have Mother's Day. And then at the end of the month, we have Memorial Day. So this week on our schedule, we have a lot of stuff to talk about as far as appreciation. And even though it's Teacher Appreciation Week, we are going to do doctor and nurse appreciation. So I have different things on the schedule that you can look at by b1fun.weebly.com. Just to say thank you to the doctors and nurses who are working super hard right now during this pandemic. So check out the Weebly and let's look outside. Let's check out the weather. What's the weather like by you? Over here, it's sunny and it's warm out. I might go outside for a walk later. This weekend, I planted flowers and vegetables. I planted them in the ground in the soil, and we're going to watch them grow. All right, friends. I hope you guys have a great day today. Bye.